with regard to the term elsewhere, this is a warrant of arrest. So
Right.
nakalagay din sa warrant of arrest yung address kung saan hahanapin yung tao. Because a warrant of arrest, di ba, is under the title of what we call searches and seizures. So there are warrants from the court. A warrant means an order. Okay, by what, when you say unwarranted or by what warrant, you mean by whose order or under what power, under what mandate. So ang warrant of arrest, a search warrant is a search or seizure of personal property. And the warrant of arrest is a seizure of a person. Ngayon, in a warrant of in a search warrant, kailangan specific yung lugar at specific kung ano yung hinahanap. Pero sa warrant of arrest, because a person is mobile, normally yan, pinapayagan yan anytime, anywhere. Kung mainkwentro, halimbawa, ng pulis, itong isang taong to, nangyayari yan. Halimbawa, yung may subject of a warrant of arrest, pumunta sa court on another hearing, nakita ng pulis, inaresto sila doon. So, if you're subject to a warrant of arrest, general rule is, wherever you will find that person. Ang problema nga kasi dito is it is not a simple service of a warrant of arrest. Normally nga, ang warrant of arrest, sinaserve yan, gadakipin yung tao kasi nakita nyo na dun sa lugar. Pag hindi nakita, you go back to the court, you return, you have what we call a return of the warrant, and you report to the court kung ano nangyari, you get an alias warrant. Yung alias warrant, yun walang expiration. Kasi ang original warrant, may 10-day period lang yan. And then it expires. You have to return to the court and get your alias warrant. So Dalawa yung naging issue dyan. Number one is it an alias warrant or was it an original warrant? Kung yung original warrant ang gamit ni na General Torre, posibleng hindi na valid kasi nga ni-return na ng NBI yon and an alias warrant has been issued. So dapat ang hawak ni General Torre is the alias warrant. Number two, ang sinasabi is, ang question dito is yung lugar. This must be resolved by the court. Kasi ano bang ibig sabihin ng court ng elsewhere? If it was an ordinary search of personal property, kailangan with specificity yung lugar. So dapat in fact down to the number, kung kunwari hindi binigay yung apartment number, you cannot search all of the apartments. So in this case, the term elsewhere is too vague. But if that were a search warrant, now a warrant of arrest, posible yan kasi in other places. Dahil yun nga, if you run into the person somewhere else and a person is mobile or a person can transfer areas of where they are located, then the warrant usually is open basta kung saan ninyo mahanap yung tao. Yun nga lang, the issue here and the reason tumatanggi si Attorney Torreon is because there is a right to the security and sanctity of your domicile. Hindi po ganong kadali. And so therefore, kumbaga, you're violating the privacy of persons. So the court will have to weigh ano yung mas matimbang dyan. Yung pag-violate ng domicile o yung pag-serve ng warrant na wala namang kasiguruhan kung andun yung tao. At hindi po specifically nakalagay yung lugar na yon. So this is a matter, tama naman din yung sinasabi ni General Torre na kasuhan nyo na lang kami, which means that this is a case to be brought, it is a controversy to be brought before the court. However,